Hello guys, so I got my first box of Crunchlabs, which is a drawing machine, and I'm really excited to start building it. Let's get started. So, hi guys, so I just finished building my Crunchlab drawing machine. So it basically works with two motors, and I place these two discs on top of it, and there are two holes in this disc. So then I made these scissor linkage. These are one type of linkage, and this is like a scissor linkage. So I adjusted these scissor linkages on these two discs, and it made this shape over here, as you can see. And this scissor linkages helped move the pen in a specific way as what I wanted. I can't change the speed, which is too bad, but still it's good. It's a nice drawing to show off to my friends, and I can do that. It took me a long time to build it, like 20 minutes or so, because I messed up with some parts of it, but I got it to work, as you can see here, and it's nice.